Preparation, y'all. I don't know what to cook today. And then normally I'll buy this whole thing of chicken breast. See this for this big pack of breast is $8.52. So I'm probably gonna get this one. $8.10. And when I buy these big pack of meats, they can pretty much be stretched into like 2 or 3 different dinners. And I think I'm gonna go, I'm dropping the chicken, y'all. Chicken, broccoli. You know what, I might make some chicken and broccoli and some rice. Make it nice and spicy like how they do at the curry out. That'll be good. What y'all think? Believe it, y'all. Look how empty this waffle freezer is. Normally this thing is filled up. They got the thick and fluffy waffles. I like those, but sometimes they crumble up too much. If you had those before, you know what I mean. So we normally just go with like one of these size boxes here. But I like the buttermilk, not the home style. I don't know, the home style just doesn't have as much flavor as the buttermilk. So there go my blueberry ones, y'all. Y'all watched my last food haul. You see I have bought some blueberry waffles. There they go. Now they do have these French toast sticks right here, 2 for $5. So maybe I'll go with these. I'll go ahead and get these cinnamon ones. And then you can mix it up. And I think I'm gonna get these chocolate chip pancakes. Now, if y'all don't know about these chocolate chip pancakes, you ever been to IHOP and got the chocolate chip pancakes, or just experimented with your waffles? Those are so good. I gotta try those. I'm over here now. I'm gonna go ahead and get the broccoli for the chicken. Yeah, I think I am gonna go ahead and use a little bit of these. A few pieces of this chicken breast, cut it up, make a good pot of chicken and broccoli, and I'm gonna add some peppers and onions to it. That's gonna be good. So I normally get one of these big bags of broccoli, but I don't see any right now. Oh, here they go. Y'all see this big bag of vegetables? I'm gonna go with this. $1.89. Make our chicken and broccoli with some peppers. I got onions in the house, so I gotta go back and get some peppers now. But I'm gonna show y'all when I get over to the stores, and I'm gonna go ahead and tally my total up so far so I know where I am. Oh, before I do that, y'all, this is our local seafood department. So I don't see any catfish nuggets today though. So that's one thing I don't see. Oh, there they go, y'all. Look, see right there? Right there. Catfish nuggets, $3.99. Check that video out. Check our catfish nugget video out. It's really bomb, really good. Ooh, I'm really old today. I cannot drive this car. Now I'm gonna also go ahead and get me a bag of this salmon. This salmon is bomb, y'all. Now I do love me some fresh salmon. Trust me, I do. But when I can't really get to it, I'll get this bag of salmon here. You've seen it in one of my grocery hauls before, but it's $6.99. It's pretty good. You only have to leave it in there for about 8 minutes. It's gonna be so good, y'all. So I'm in the cereal aisle now, y'all. And let me tell you what my favorite cereal is. Can y'all guess? Honeycomb is one of my favorite cereals. Here goes Daddy favorite cereals. But it's so funny because he like all the cereals that get soggy fast. Look, they got them all the way down here at the bottom. They don't see no love. Look at this, y'all. They got my Captain Crunch and berries all the way down here at the bottom. They are so disrespectful. Did y'all see that mess? Like, how they gonna have the Captain Crunch with berries all the way at the bottom? We can't be doing that now. You gotta have the best cereal at the top of the shelf. So let's start out with something sweet. It's the Cinnamon 2-bite cream cheese ice. So these are pretty good. Never had them, but I guess you could put them in the microwave, make it a little bit softer. I would put this in the microwave personally. That way you can melt the ice in. That'll be good. We got our Bob Evans breakfast sausage. So I told you guys in the last haul that we do the Bob Evans, or it was the Smithfield, the Johnsonville. That's what it was. I couldn't think of the brand. I knew it was a yellow package. It's the Johnsonville brand. So we're gonna go with these maple links today. I got the kids some juice. I got some biscotti. I know Twan probably will, you know, get one of these because he likes coffee. Have clothes on. So I got a bag of potatoes. Always good to have a bag of potatoes in the house. You can do so much with these. I think in the morning though, what I'm gonna do is make some fried potatoes, put some onions, some peppers in it. Those would be good. We got some cabbage here. I love some cabbage. So just gotta clean this off, take the little outer leaves off, cut it up, wash it, put it in a pan, saute it down with some onions. You can put peppers in it if you like. Those are real good. So I got some tartar sauce because Daddy wanted some fish sticks. Got some more syrup. Kids go through this syrup like it's nothing. So if I don't get this syrup, I'll stick with the Aunt Jemima. But for the last couple times I didn't went to the store, I didn't got this butter flavored syrup here, which is still pretty good. Got some bread. So I got 2 loaves of bread. Got some fish sticks. You know, Daddy love these dang on fish sticks. Oh my God. I bought the fish sticks and no grease. I didn't get no grease. Whoop. I didn't get no grease. I didn't get no grease. Oh. And he didn't remind me either. All he kept reminding me was about the tartar sauce. Don't forget the tartar sauce. Don't forget the tartar sauce. Look, he is a sauce man, so that's all he's thinking about is the dang on sauce, but not realizing that I still got to cook them. But he can put those in the oven. So we got the Eggo toaster cinnamon sticks. These are good. Pull apart. Kids can dunk them in some syrup in the cup. We got a Red Baron pepperoni pizza. So this is a, you know, per your flavor. So today we went with the basic pepperoni pizza. Me personally, I like supreme with all those different toppings on it. The peppers, the onions, the sausage, pepperonis, you know the works. I like the regular pepperoni, but I don't know. The supreme just has a lot of flavor to it. So I told y'all I'm gonna be making some chicken and broccoli tonight. So one of the main ingredients is this oyster sauce. When you go to the carryout and you get your beef and broccoli, or your chicken and broccoli, or your shrimp and broccoli, that brown sauce that's in the bowl, that's what's giving it this flavor. So you gotta have that. I got some soy sauce, so you need some soy sauce as well. And I got some fish sauce. So I haven't tried the fish sauce yet. I always see it and I never buy it. So I actually bought it today. So I'm gonna make that tonight and we're gonna see how it do together. So remember I was telling you in the store that I bought this pack of chicken breasts. So I don't eat the chicken breasts whole like this. They're too big for me. So what I'll do is I'll cut them either and slice them in half or slice them in thirds. So cut one of these into 3 different slices and then cut them down into chunks. So you can use half of this for one meal, half of this for another meal. Whatever you don't use, put it in the freezer. What else we got? So we got the broccoli. So I went with the frozen broccoli today, but you can go with fresh broccoli to make your beef and broccoli or chicken and broccoli. It's whatever you have. There's no particular one that you have to use. So these are the pancakes, the chocolate chip pancakes. So every time me and Daddy go to IHOP, oh my God, y'all, I swear this man is like a one-hit wonder. When we go to IHOP, you may want to experience different things on the menu, right? No, every time we go, he has to get the same thing over and over again. What is it, the chocolate chip pancakes? Yeah. See what I'm saying? He already knew what I was talking about saying something. Yeah. They are really rich. So if you've never had these pancakes before, if you're a chocolate lover, you'll love these pancakes. And especially at IHOP, they're dark, they're brown. The whole pancake is a brown pancake. But that man loved him some dang on chocolate chip pancakes. Okay, so also got my salmon again. So I told you, I love me some fresh salmon. But if I can't get to my fresh salmon, then I'll go with this, which is still good. Remember last time you was watching my last grocery haul, I told you cook this for about 8 minutes, and I had bought the garlic butter. I didn't buy the garlic butter today, but that's fine. I have some regular butter in the refrigerator, and we could just make it into our own. And then I got the bananas. They've already been into those bananas. So we love fruit. We already got some watermelon in the refrigerator. I didn't really have to buy too much fruit today, but that was it, y'all. I got some more dish liquid because you gotta keep your dishes clean. And then we still got a refrigerator full of food still. And then if you keep your pantry stocked anyway, you just get like little pieces here or little pieces there. So say hi, Porter. Say what's up to the people. Say what's up to the people. They over here. They over here. Right here. Right here. Porter. Say what's up, Lonnie.
Hey, y'all.
Right here, Lonnie. So I'm just getting home from work. What you been doing all day?
Nothing.
Making a mess?
No.
Cleaning up your mess?
I didn't have any mess to clean up.
So she want to go to Sweet Frog today. That's to get, the frozen ice cream. You make your own. So we'll go.
Probably gonna be doing a video on that.
It's not called frozen ice cream, it's called frozen yogurt.
Frozen yogurt, my bad. Frozen yogurt. So she wants to go to Sweet Frog. And then London's telling me that we forgot something. So we always try to keep our bag of ooze and loos in the house. Kids, something quick, something easy. The kids tried to confiscate this already. You know how they going through the bags. You tell them to put the food away, and they gotta pick and choose what they want out the bag already. This didn't even make it to the table. They had put it in the kitchen already, getting ready to open it. So I've never tried these. So they're cream filled puff pastry. So this looks pretty good. It's always good just to pick up something new in the store. And it was on sale, which is a bonus because normally these are for like $4 a box. So I'm gonna give these to Daddy to taste now, and he'll let you know how they taste.